Another thing that we can do with quadratics is we're going to specifically look at and determine where is its vertex. And there's a great discussion in the book that kind of draws through of how they came up with a pattern or an equation of what the vertex is. Once you get done looking at and following along with that, you'll discover that the equation of the vertex is negative b over 2a, and the function evaluated at that answer, minus b over 2a. I know that's kind of confusing, the function at this minus b over 2a. Well, maybe this example will kind of help you understand exactly what that's saying in this particular case. But what I understand is that the vertex can be determined through this idea, such that the x value of the vertex is negative b over 2a. And the a, b are the same a, b's, and c's that we had earlier in the quadratic equation. So if I look at my example, I have a 3 in the a spot, a 12 in the b spot, and an 8 in the c spot. So to find out what negative b over 2a is, negative b gives me a negative 12 over 2 times a, 3, gives me a 2 times a 3, which is a 6. And so my vertex has a value of negative 2 on its x component. So I'm going to just put down negative 2 in that x component. Well, vertex needs to have both an x-coordinate and a y-coordinate. We got the x-coordinate. How do you think we're going to find the y-coordinate? We're going to plug the x-coordinate back into the function, evaluate the function at negative 2. Because remember, if we put the x into the function, what pops out is its result. It's y. What happens at that particular time? So let's find that function and evaluate it at negative b over 2a. But since we solved that, it's just a negative 2. So I'm going to be asking myself then, what is the function at negative 2, or f of negative 2? So you see how I just put a negative 2 in everywhere I saw an x? Just going to solve that out. 3 times negative 2 squared. Negative 2 squared is a 4, so that's a 12. Minus a 24 plus an 8. 12 minus 24 is a negative 12. Negative 12 plus an 8 is a negative 4. So my function evaluated at negative 2 produces a negative 4. So the vertex of this particular quadratic, 3x squared plus 12x plus 8, the vertex is negative 2, negative 4. And that's going to help me identify some components as I learn how to graph these. There's another characteristic or another concept that will help me graph these quadratics fairly accurately.